Imagine this. One single platform controls more crypto money movement than some national banks. Millions of traders depend on it every day. Governments tried to shut it down. The founder stepped down under pressure. Billions in fines were paid. Yet Binance is still standing strong. So the real question is Binance the strongest crypto empire ever built? Or is it a risky giant quietly walking on thin ice? Today, I'm exposing everything about Binance. The power, the controversy, the hidden risks, the real advantages, and the mistakes most beginners make when using it. If you're serious about crypto trading, investing, or staking, this video can literally protect your money. So don't skip. Watch till the end. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to PreyoPromo. If you're new here, this channel is all about crypto, investing apps, digital assets, US currency tools, trading platforms, and smart money strategies. Here on PreyoPromo, I don't just hype platforms, I break down the real truth. The good, the bad, and the risky parts nobody talks about. And today's topic is massive: Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange. We'll answer, is Binance scam or legit? Is it legal in the USA? Who owns it? Why regulators attacked it? Is your money safe? And should you actually use Binance in 2026 and beyond? Section 1. What is Binance? 225 hot. Narration, explainer style. Binance is not just another crypto app. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange on planet Earth. It allows people to buy, sell, trade, stake, store, and earn crypto using one ecosystem. Binance was launched in 2017, and in less than 1 year, it shocked the entire financial world by becoming the #1 crypto exchange globally. That type of growth almost never happens in traditional finance. What made Binance different was simple: lower fees, faster execution, huge coin variety, advanced tools. While other exchanges focused on basic buying and selling, Binance built a complete crypto universe. Trading, futures, staking, NFTs, Launchpad investing, wallet services, and even its own blockchain network. What Binance offers: visual bullets on screen, spot trading for hundreds of cryptocurrencies, futures and margin trading for advanced traders, crypto staking and passive income programs, Binance Earn products, NFT marketplace, Launchpad early-stage token investing, Trust wallet integration, Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Section 2. Is Binance scam legal or legit? 50830. Host, serious but calm. Let's address the elephant in the room. Is Binance a scam? No. Binance is not a fake platform. It's a real company with millions of users, billions in daily trading volume, and one of the strongest crypto infrastructures ever built. But, and this is important, Binance is also one of the most controversial crypto companies in history. The US government case explained simply. Binance got into serious trouble with US regulators because of compliance issues, mainly related to anti-money laundering rules and operational transparency. As a result, Binance paid a massive multi-billion-dollar settlement and the founder stepped down as CEO. Now here's the important part most people misunderstand. Binance did not collapse. User withdrawals continued. Trading continued. Platform remained operational. Instead, Binance entered a new phase, a heavily regulated, compliance-focused era. What changed after that? Binance started rebuilding its system with stronger identity verification, tighter security checks, and global regulatory cooperation. This tells us one thing clearly. Binance is no longer operating in the Wild West crypto era. It is now under global financial supervision pressure. Section 3. Binance availability, bans and restrictions. 830.11 louder. Narration. Binance is not the same everywhere. Depending on your country, your experience can be completely different. Countries with restrictions. In the United States, Binance Global is not allowed. Instead, a separate platform called Binance.us operates with limited features. Some European and North American regions also placed marketing and operational restrictions. Canada, UK, and some Asian markets added regulatory conditions or reduced Binance services. Countries where Binance is extremely popular. On the other hand, Binance dominates in Asia markets, Middle East regions, Africa crypto communities, emerging economies, Why? Because Binance offers low fees, wide coin access, and flexible services that appeal to international traders. Section 4. How Binance actually works. 11 SOC, 14 YA. Host Explainer Mode. When you sign up on Binance, you're entering a multi-layer trading ecosystem. Trading system. You can trade hundreds of coins instantly. Binance provides deep liquidity, meaning large orders execute fast with minimal price slippage. That's why professional traders prefer it. Staking and passive income. Binance allows users to stake cryptocurrencies and earn rewards. Instead of letting crypto sit idle, you can earn passive income through locked or flexible staking programs. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance also created its own coin, BNB. BNB is used for trading fee discounts, ecosystem utilities, gas fees on Binance Smart Chain, Launchpad participation. BNB has become one of the strongest exchange-based crypto assets in the market. Quick pause. If you're finding this breakdown helpful so far, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to PreyoPromo. Why? Because I bring you the real truth about crypto, investing apps, and money tools in the US and globally. No fluff, no hype. Section 5. Binance Recent Developments. 14/1630. Narration. After leadership changes, Binance appointed a new CEO focused on compliance and regulatory rebuilding. The company shifted strategy from aggressive expansion to long-term sustainability and government cooperation. Binance also strengthened its emergency protection fund, designed to protect users during extreme market situations. This shows Binance is trying to evolve from a fast-growth startup into a mature financial infrastructure. Section 6. Binance Pros and Cons. Binance Advantages. Largest trading volume in crypto market. Lowest trading fees compared to most competitors. Massive coin variety. Professional trading tools. Advanced futures and derivatives. Staking and earning options. Strong mobile app performance. High liquidity for big traders. Binance disadvantages. Regulatory pressure creates uncertainty. Binance.US is limited compared to global Binance. Customer support delays reported by users. Complex interface for beginners. Risk of holding funds on centralized exchanges. Regional service limitations. Section 7. Should you trust Binance? Here's my honest expert opinion after analyzing crypto platforms for years. Binance is not perfect. Binance is not risk-free. But Binance is still the most powerful crypto exchange infrastructure available globally. If you are a professional trader, Binance gives you unmatched tools. A long-term investor, use Binance for buying, then store coins in private wallets. A beginner, start slow and avoid futures trading until you fully understand risks. Smart safety advice. Never keep large amounts of money on any exchange. Always enable two-factor authentication. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage. Treat Binance as a trading platform, not a bank. So that's the real story of Binance. Not hype, not fear, just facts, strategy, and smart analysis. If this video helped you understand Binance better, smash the like button, subscribe to PreyoPromo, and turn on notifications. Here on PreyoPromo, we don't just follow trends. We teach you how to protect your money and grow smarter in crypto. Comment below. Are you using Binance or planning to? I personally read and reply. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep building your financial future.